This is a waterfront view of the lot on Bay Pointe Drive. You can see it opens out into some pretty sizable water. This is the upper end of Wolf Bay. There's lots of homes over here. The other side of the water's usually called Mifflin and Fish Trap. I'm standing on the pier next door to the property. And you see when you go down there, that's where it opens out into the big section of Wolf Bay. This is the other homes in Wolf Bay Point. You can see it's a nice subdivision with upscale homes. And now we're back to the lot. That's the lot that's available for sale.